composed music for? We need to know how, what would you say about the young actor? Look center.
Yeah. Go ahead. I think it was an exciting movie to compose for. The whole soundscape was Indian, South Indian, and African, and so in this we went back to like how in the 60s they have prominence for lyrics, and in fact we tuned most of the songs for concepts and Tamil lyrics, and trying to bring a very clean kind of a melody where people could just get the thought.
Mr. Rahman, background score of the movie kiya aapne, and how will you differentiate the songs as background as well as the regular songs?
In this, he was generously giving me a lot of gap for doing music, and there were many sequences where it had to be driven by music. And in fact, I was feeling not uncomfortable because of I was wondering whether there's too much of music. But then, of course, he has this magic of visuals which takes it forward, and it was such a pleasure doing this.
Mr. Bharat, how did Marian happen?
Marian has happened because of I read a newspaper article about a true incident that happened in Sudan, and it's about immigrant workers, and it's the story of their human will to survive, and that inspired, and I think Rahman also got fired up by this human instinct in this movie.
What about this relationship with you and Rahman sir since long back now, while Marian and all?
Relationship is past, present, future.
Rahman sir, on Independence Day, we always hear your song. If you could just, wish the viewers a happy Independence Day.
For this Independence Day, we have a very special song coming out on Coke Studio at MTV. We have a poem by Rabindranath Tagore, which I've tuned, and I've sung in Bengali.
Wow.
And it's going to be there, yeah. And I want to wish everyone a very happy Independence Day.
रहमान सर, चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस फिल्म की का जो संगीत है उसको बहुत ज़्यादा हाईली अक्लेम किया जा रहा है. आपने उनके गानों को सुना या फिर आप उस फिल्म को देखने की इच्छा रखते हैं?
I heard one of the songs sung by Chinmay. I really loved it. And first hearing, I really loved it.
तो क्या शाहरुख की एक भी आने वाली फिल्म को आप संगीत देने वाले हैं, म्यूजिक डायरेक्ट करने वाले हैं उनकी आने वाली फिल्म?
I just finished Jab Tak Hai Jaan, and people slowly start accepting the music. So I think maybe in the future we'll be doing.
शाहरुख ने अप्रोच किया फिलहाल अभी तक?
No, I'm busy with my own projects now. I'm also doing my own movie. So.
Mr. Bharat and Mr. Rahman, one question about Auro 3D experience. It's in your AM studio as well. What about while this movie, Marian?
I think the film was shot in live sound, so the experience of bringing live sounds with native Auro 3D really helped. I think it gives a very new experience to the consumers, to the audience. It's very immersive.
Rahman sir, if you could urge the viewers to vote, saying, I registered to vote, have you, because the elections are coming up, just asking viewers to vote.
I'll speak about Auro 3D. I think Auro 3D is a giant leap, I would say, because we've been hearing sound, and sound plays a very important. When I started, I had mono sound with Roja, and then the kind of improvement and the kind of progress which sound has made in the movies are amazing. And then I'm happy that Marian is in Auro 3D, and I've not still heard it, but because after mixing, I went abroad. But people who saw it, I saw the tweets and I saw the experience of what people had, and it's very heartening to see kind of feedback.
Mr. Bharat, how do you think it enhanced the Marian narrative and all with this?
I think the whole, as Rahman has already said, this film had a lot of scope to do music, a lot of spaces to do music, and the real sounds. I think that experience was required for this storytelling. So the Auro 3D experience really helped to make you feel as though you're probably in that location exactly.
Marian means the immortal, जो कभी नहीं मरता, कभी नहीं मरने वाला. Is there anything except music, do you think, and even Bharat that is Marian?
I think it's everybody has a spirit in them to be a Marian, to never say never die, and go for the instinct, you know.
What about Dhanush, the new boy of B-Town and as well as...
I think Dhanush is incredibly talented and he's musical. You've seen Kolavari and in Ranjana is excelled and in this is excelled. So it's so nice to see him make a statement constantly and proving everybody wrong.
रहमान सर, अभी आपने कहा कि आप अपनी फिल्म पे काम कर रहे हैं, क्या खास वो फिल्म होने वाली है, कुछ खास बताना चाहेंगे?
I am working on Imtiaz Ali's new movie, Highway. I'm working on Pani. And then, what else am I working on? I'm doing a movie with Arif Ali. And then I'm doing a movie with Siddharth in the south.
Movie?
So these are the movies.
what about the cinematography of this particular movie, if you want to?
Any favorite song of yours which you love the most?
No, I just woke up. Thanks.
Rahman sir, any plans of you acting in a film or any plans?
What is this suddenly for 3 months I've been like getting this? No. I'm a principal of a school now. We just opened the KM Music College of Music and Technology and that's it. My role.
Thank you.
Say just Vande Mataram in your own words.
Ma tujhe salam, Vande Mataram. Here's the
Vande
man.
Mataram.
Here's the man. Here's the man.
Thank you. Vande Mataram.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.